Hey folks, this is the first video dealing with solving quadratic equations. Let's talk first of all about what the generic quadratic equation is. This looks pretty familiar, or at least it should, from the last section. The only difference is that it is y equals ax squared plus bx plus c instead of 0 equals. There are going to be four methods that we're going to be using for solving quadratic equation. The first one is the zero product property, and the zero product property is also called the factoring method. And the second method, the second property, is going to be the square root property. The third one will be completing the square. And I'd like to ask you, in this semester, where have you seen completing the square before? So I want you to write that answer down, and that will be your embedded question for this video. And the last method of solving the quadratic equation is going to be the quadratic formula. One thing to point out before I end this particular video is that you'll see that I have given you specific numbers of questions. So on my lab, when you're working, notice that in the homework section, the demonstrate section, questions numbers 10 through 12 and number 18 should be solved using the zero product property. Questions 4 through 9 should be solved using the square root property. Sometimes my lab tells you what method to use, but sometimes it does not tell you to use. So please follow this list. It will be a help to you while you are working through your homework.